Hello, friends. Welcome to Akul Mac Live. We all know that India, the Indian part, the peninsula, was connected to Africa 200 million years back, and for certain time it was an island. Eventually, it hit the European Asian belt to form Plateau of Tibet and also the Himalayas, the legendary Himalayas. As we know, the Himalayas are the youngest and the world highest mountain. However, we have found that this record is going to be broken very soon. How the other part of Africa, which is after the Rift Valley, there is a Rift Valley in Africa, and that whole portion of the Eastern African continent is breaking apart. However, the topmost portion of that belt, which will break apart in future, there is a country called Somalia, the current day Somalia. The Somalian part will hit India, and this will create a situation where a huge, mountain range will be created on the western coast of India. And this mountain range is now dubbed as Somalia. And it is going to beat Himalayas not only in terms of the length of the mountain, but also in height. And there is going to be dramatic change in this entire landscape because one side we have Himalaya still forming and increasing in height, and on the western side there will be another land mass, and in between India current land mass and this new land mass, the much bigger mountain, much higher mountain is going to form. So we don't know exactly how it will change the geography of this region because currently we have monsoons and whole lot of weather system which is controlled by Himalayas. But when this happens, we have no idea right now, or very difficult to predict what will be the changes in terms of weather systems, in terms of geology, etc. But one thing is very, very clear that when this happens, the current western coast of India will be buried almost 50 kilometers below the Somalian belt, and then eventually Somalian belt will rotate to form these mountains. So it appears, friends, that this is a very exciting information, and I will meet you with more stuff, more information in the next video. But if you have any comments, do write in, and I will respond to each one of you. And I will meet you in the next one.